Carbonated beverage dispenses evenly.
Bottle labels feed smoothly from reels under controlled tension.
Finished pallets enter the warehouse, transitioning from packaging to controlled storage operation.
Raw ingredients arrive at the Coca-Cola facility, entering controlled intake under strict receiving protocols.
Granulated sugar undergoes visual and tactile inspection to verify purity before controlled storage.
Each ingredient is digitally verified against Coca-Cola production standards inside the quality control lab.
Approved materials receive traceable identification tags for monitored movement within the facility.
Verified ingredients enter controlled storage zones, maintaining stability and production readiness. Materials are segregated by type, ensuring precise handling during subsequent production stages.
Authorized ingredients are released from storage, initiating their journey into beverage production. Raw materials advance toward the next processing area, aligning with Coca-Cola's purified water systems. Incoming water enters the facility through monitored intake systems designed for consistent industrial flow control. Initial filtration removes suspended particles, preparing water for deeper purification stages ahead.
Sand filtration refines water clarity by trapping finer impurities within layered media beds.
Activated carbon filtration neutralizes unwanted tastes and odors from the water supply.
Reverse osmosis removes dissolved solids, achieving precise purity required for Coca-Cola beverages.
Ultraviolet treatment sterilizes water, eliminating microorganisms without altering composition.
Ozone treatment provides final microbial protection before temporary storage.
Purified water is held in controlled tanks, stabilized for precise beverage formulation. Routine sampling verifies water quality compliance before release into production.
Approved purified water advances towards syrup preparation, integrating into Coca-Cola's beverage formulation stage.
Purified water enters the syrup preparation room, initiating controlled blending operations within sealed systems.
Sugar dissolves under regulated temperature and agitation to form a consistent base solution.
Heating and agitation remain tightly controlled to ensure uniform syrup consistency. Liquid flavor concentrates are added in exact proportions through automated dosing systems. Mechanical agitation integrates ingredients into a uniform syrup blend. Continuous circulation maintains homogeneity while allowing real-time quality monitoring.
Concentration levels are measured to confirm syrup meets Coca-Cola formulation specifications.
Syrup samples are collected to verify consistency before filtration processing begins.
Approved syrup batches receive clearance for downstream processing within the production flow. Prepared syrup enters dedicated filtration units through sealed pathways, ensuring controlled processing conditions. Initial mesh filtration removes residual particulates without altering syrup composition.
Cartridge filters refine syrup clarity by capturing microscopic impurities during steady flow.
Pressure monitoring confirms effective filtration without restricting syrup flow.
Filtered syrup leaves the system, maintaining clarity and consistency for final beverage blending.
Filtered syrup advances toward beverage mixing, aligning with purified water for final formulation. Filtered syrup and purified water converge inside the beverage mixing hall under controlled industrial conditions. Precisely measured streams enter the blend tank, forming the base Coca-Cola beverage mixture. Automated controls maintain exact mixing ratios required for consistent Coca-Cola formulation. High-shear mixing evenly distributes syrup throughout purified water inside the sealed tank. Inline sensors continuously verify beverage uniformity during active mixing circulation.
Temperature control systems stabilize the blend to protect flavor consistency and carbonation readiness.
Blending continues for a defined duration to ensure complete integration of all components. Continuous circulation confirms homogeneity throughout the beverage mixture. Approved blending parameters confirm readiness for carbonation processing.
Finished beverage mixture advances toward carbonation, continuing Coca-Cola's controlled production flow. The blended beverage arrives at the carbonation section, prepared for controlled carbon dioxide infusion.
Carbon dioxide supply systems regulate pressure and flow for precise beverage carbonation. The beverage enters a sealed carbonation vessel designed for efficient gas absorption.
Carbon dioxide is injected uniformly, creating consistent effervescence throughout the beverage. Pressure and temperature controls ensure proper carbon dioxide dissolution within the beverage.
A controlled holding phase allows carbonation levels to fully stabilize.
Carbonated beverage leaves the vessel, maintaining pressure and consistency for filling preparation.
The carbonated beverage advances toward container preparation, ready for precise filling operations.
Preforms are fed automatically toward shaping systems that determine final bottle structure.
Controlled heating softens preforms, preparing material for precise bottle expansion. Blow molding shapes each bottle to exact Coca-Cola specifications within rotating molds. Bottle finishes are calibrated to ensure reliable sealing during filling operations. Air rinsing cleans each bottle interior before beverage filling begins. Aluminum cans are formed through high-speed shaping processes, ensuring uniform thickness. Trimmed cans are washed thoroughly to remove forming residues.
Automated inspection verifies container integrity before filling operations begin.
Finished containers advance toward filling, aligning with carbonated beverage supply systems.
Empty containers enter the filling hall, aligning with high-speed beverage dispensing systems.
In-feed systems synchronize container spacing for accurate filling alignment.
Counter-pressure valves prepare containers for controlled carbonated beverage filling. Carbonated beverage dispenses evenly, maintaining carbonation integrity during filling. Filled containers leave the carousel, retaining carbonation and consistent fill levels.
Temporary accumulation balances line speed between filling and sealing operations.
Filled containers advance toward sealing, preserving carbonation through immediate closure. Filled containers enter the sealing line, maintaining pressure and alignment for closure. Bottle caps are applied and secured through precise rotary capping mechanisms. Can lids are permanently seamed, forming airtight closures for carbonation retention. Sealed containers advance toward labeling, maintaining line continuity and product integrity. Sealed containers arrive at labeling lines, prepared for brand identification application.
Bottle labels feed smoothly from reels under controlled tension.
Labels are applied evenly, forming consistent brand presentation on each bottle. Adhesion rollers secure labels, ensuring durability during handling and transport. Shrink sleeves conform tightly around cans through controlled heat application. Labeled containers advance toward packaging, ready for grouped handling and shipment. Labeled containers arrive at packaging lines prepared for grouped retail and transport handling. Bottles are grouped and placed into cases through automated case packing systems.
Packaging cases are sealed to protect products during storage and transportation. Cans are formed into multi-packs, designed for convenient retail presentation.
Automated inspection confirms packaging integrity before warehousing.
Packaged products are palletized systematically for stable warehouse handling.
Pallets are stabilized through stretch wrapping, preparing them for warehouse storage. Finished pallets enter the warehouse, transitioning from packaging to controlled storage operations.
Pallets are scanned on entry, recording location and inventory status within the system.
High bay racking stores finished products efficiently while maintaining organized inventory flow.
Pallets are positioned precisely to maintain stability and accessibility during storage.
Inventory systems track stored products, coordinating availability for upcoming distribution orders.
Selected pallets exit storage, advancing toward distribution and transportation stages.
Finished pallets arrive at outbound docks, preparing for transportation to regional markets.
Pallets are aligned carefully to ensure safe and efficient truck loading.
Loaded pallets are secured to prevent movement during transportation.
Shipment data is recorded digitally, linking products to distribution routes.
Secured trucks are sealed, completing preparation for outbound delivery. Distribution vehicles depart the facility, carrying finished products toward retail destinations. Coca-Cola products move through regional networks toward local retail supply points. Finished Coca-Cola products arrive at retail locations, transitioning from distribution to store handling.
Products are prepared for display, organized for efficient shelf stocking.
Coca-Cola beverages are stocked in refrigerated displays, ready for immediate customer access.
Branded packaging presents products clearly across retail aisles for customer selection.
Customers select Coca-Cola products, completing the journey from factory to consumer.
The Coca-Cola production cycle concludes, connecting industrial precision with everyday refreshment.